Welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to add or subtract integers without using number line. In my previous video, I have already explained how to add or subtract integers by using number line. Okay, so first we will start with the rules. That what are the rules to add or subtract integers? For example, the first rule is if the integers are having different signs. For example, if one integer is negative integer and another integer is positive integer, in this case, we will subtract. Okay? And we will assign the sign of the integer having greater numerical value or assign the sign of greater number. Similarly, if one integer is positive integer, another is negative, in this case also plus minus, we will subtract minus. And here also we will assign the sign of the greater number. So, like this. So, this we will understand by an example. If there is a question minus 13 plus 5. So, as per the rule, one integer is negative integer, another integer is positive integer. So, minus plus minus. So, first we will subtract. 13 minus 5, we will get 8. Okay. Now, we will check for the greater number. From 13 and 5, which one is greater? 13 is greater. And 13 is a negative integer. It is having negative sign. So, we will put the sign of minus. Our answer will be minus 8. Okay. Similarly, 15 minus 20. Now, here 15 is a positive integer because there is no sign before the number. If there is no sign, we always consider it as a positive integer. And the sign of the number will always be to its left. Okay. So, it's a positive integer, it's a negative integer. Plus, minus, we know minus. So, from 20 we will subtract 15 first of all. Okay. We will do the general subtraction as we subtract. So, 20 minus 15, 5. Now, again we will check for the greater number from 20 and 15. Which number is greater? We know 20 is greater. And before 20, what is the sign of 20? The sign of 20 is minus. So, we will put minus sign. Okay. Take one more example. 25 plus 30. Put minus sign here. Okay. So, again 25 is a negative integer, 30 is a positive integer. Minus plus, what we will do? Minus. So, first we will subtract 25 from 30. We will get 5. Now, to put the sign, we will check which number is greater. And from 25 and 30, we can see that 30 is greater and it's a positive integer. There is positive sign before 30. So, this means plus sign should come here, but we don't put plus sign here because if a number is not having any sign, this means it's a positive sign hidden here. It's a positive integer itself. So, no need to put the plus sign here. Our answer will remain 5 only. Okay. Now, this was our first rule. Minus plus minus. This was second rule. Plus minus minus. Now, the third rule is that if two integers are of negative sign, this means one is negative integer, another is also also negative integer. In this case, these two will get added. We will add these. Okay? And before our answer, we will put the sign of minus. Okay? So this rule also we will understand through an example. For example, there is a question minus 13 minus 10. So here we can see that both the integers are negative integers. And we know that minus minus plus. So first we will add 13 plus 10. So we will get 23. And now we will put the sign of minus before our answer. Okay. You may take another example. Minus 50 minus 30. Again, both are negative integer. It's also negative and this one is also negative. And we know whenever both the integers are negative, we will add them. So 50 plus 30, 80. And we will put the sign of minus before our answer. Now the fourth rule is, if both the integers are positive integers, plus and plus. So in this case we will add them and the sign will also be of plus. That we will not put. Okay. For example, if there is a question 25 plus 30. So here we can see that 25 is a positive integer and 30 is also positive. So plus plus plus. We will add these and we will get 55. We don't put plus sign in front of 55 because it's a positive integer itself. Now, take another example. 150 plus 30. So here 150, before 150 there is no sign. This means it's a plus sign hidden here. And 30 is also a positive integer. So plus plus plus. 150 plus 30, 180. Here also no need to put the plus sign. So I hope that now these four rules are clear to you. First is minus plus minus, plus minus minus. So whenever the integers are having different sign, so we will subtract and we will assign the sign of the greater number before our answer. In the third rule, whenever both the integers are negative integer, so we will add them and we will put the sign of minus before our answer. And as per the fourth rule, plus 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 and no need to put the sign of plus here. Okay. So I hope that now these rules are clear to you. Now we will solve some questions based on the rules that we learned just now. So the first is minus 23 plus 50. And we know that minus plus minus. So we will subtract 23 from 50 and we will get 27. Now we will check for the sign, that which sign will come here. So for this we will check that which number is greater. And from 23 and 50, 50 is greater and it's a plus sign before 50. So here no need to put the plus sign. We will not put plus sign in front of 27. Our answer will be 27. Second one, minus 40 plus 20. So again minus plus minus. So first we will subtract 20 from 40. We will get 20. Now from these two the greater number is 40 and the sign of 40 is minus. So we will put minus sign. So our answer will be minus 20 in this case. Third one is 50 minus 76. This means it's a positive integer. Plus minus also minus. So from 76 we will subtract 50 and we will get 26. Now again we will check for the greater number. So from these two 76 is greater and before 76 there is sign of minus. So we will put minus sign. Okay. Fourth one, minus 40, minus 20. We know that minus minus plus and the sign will be of minus. So first we will add them. 14 plus 20, 34. And then we will put the sign of minus. Now here 120 plus 50. So both are positive integer. Plus plus plus. We will add them. Answer will be 170. Okay. So now we will solve these questions. It is subtract. We have to subtract. Minus 7 from minus 8. So this you know that the number or the integer that is given after from that will come before. Okay. So we have to subtract minus 7 from minus 8. That means minus 8. Then subtract. Put the sign of minus. And then this minus 7 we will write in bracket. Okay. So this we have to solve. This means minus 8 minus minus plus 7. Okay. Now here whenever minus and minus sign are getting multiplied you will get plus. Now we have to solve these two. One is negative integer, one is positive integer. So again minus plus minus. So 8 minus 7, 1. And the sign will be of greater number. 8 is greater, so it will be minus sign there. Okay, so our answer will be minus 1. Second one, we have to subtract 4 from minus 25. So first we will write minus 25 and subtract means the sign of minus. We have to subtract 4. Okay, we can write this in bracket also or as it is also. Now both are negative integer. Minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. And the sign will be of minus. So 25 plus 4. 29. And which sign will come? Minus. Okay. So our answer will be minus 29. Next is minus 17 from 25. So we have to subtract minus 17 from 25. So 25 will come here. Put the sign of minus. Then minus 17. Write it in bracket. Now we will solve it. 25 we will write as it is. And this minus and minus. So whenever there is a bracket, this means multiplication is going on. And minus minus plus. And 17. So this multiplication of integers I will explain in my next video in detail. Okay. So 25 plus 17. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 we will carry. And 42. Both are positive integers. So no need to put the plus sign here. Our answer will become 42. Now we will solve some questions of simplification based on mixed rules. So the first question here is minus 50 plus 20 minus 30 plus 40. So in this question we will use all the rules. Okay. So first we will solve these two. This is negative integer, this is positive integer. Minus plus minus. So 50 minus 20. We will get 30. And the sign of greater number, that is 50. Sign of minus will come. Then write minus 30 plus 40. These two as it is. Now solve these two. Minus 30 and minus 30. Minus minus plus. And the sign will be of minus. So 30 plus 30, 60. That means minus 60 and 40 will be as it is. So now it is minus 60, it is plus 40. Minus plus minus. So 60 minus 40, 20 will come. And the sign of 60, because 60 is a greater number. minus will come. So answer will be minus 20. Now the second question is minus 380, minus 100, plus 120 and minus 160. And we have to simplify this. So first we can solve these two. We will solve these questions by various ways. Okay. So minus minus plus and the sign will be of minus. So minus 380 plus 100. When we will add these two, we will get 480 and the sign will be of minus. Then write these two numbers as it is. Plus 120 minus 160. Now we may solve these two. Minus plus minus. Okay, so 80 minus 20, 60 and 4 minus 1, 3. We will get 360. And the sign, because 480 is greater than 120, sign will be of minus. And here, the number left is minus 160. Now, minus minus plus. We will add them. So, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 6, 12. 1 we will carry over. 2 plus 3, 5. And the sign we will put, it is of minus. So our answer will be minus 520. So I hope that now the addition and subtraction of integers will be clear to you. And now you understood all the rules of addition and subtraction of integers. So if you like this video, then please share it as much as possible. And subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon for getting the notifications of my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.